celebrities who are helping in COVID-19 second wave. As we all know that our country India is going through the worst time ever. Coronavirus cases are rising day by day and people are facing much more difficulties in this second wave of the corona. Lack of oxygen, lack of ICU beds, shortage of medicines, and many more problems are going on. In these difficult times, many celebrities are coming forward to help India. Let's have a look. Sonu Sood, a man who we have been known as a star, but he is somebody who's perhaps one of our India's brightest stars at this time. The actor is doing an incredible job by helping COVID patients. He is providing oxygen cylinders, medicines, arranging ICU beds, airlifting patients, and much more. He has also opened his Juhu hotel to healthcare and frontline workers. As he is doing this incredible work, people have started calling him the superhero of India. Anushka Sharma, the power couple of Bollywood, Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli, also came forward to help the people of India in this difficult time. They together release a video on Twitter announcing how they will support India and Indians during the tough challenge the country is facing. Both have donated an amount of 2 crore rupees and also urged people to come forward and donate whatever amount they can. Shilpa Shetty, one of the fittest and beautiful divas of Bollywood, Shilpa Shetty Kundra, has also initiated a platform called Report Hunger Khana Chahiye Foundation. With this initiative, the actress is providing food and cooked meals to all those people who are unable to get food in this deadly coronavirus pandemic. She breaks down while talking about this pandemic and requests people to come forward to help and donate. Ayushmann Khurrana, the versatile actor and poet Ayushmann Khurrana and his wife Tahira Kashyap have donated to Maharashtra Chief Minister's Relief Fund. The actor and his wife also urged people to stay inside and not go outdoors, as this is the most difficult phase we all are going through. Akshay Kumar, he is known as the Khiladi of Bollywood. The actor has donated 200 oxygen cylinders to help corona patients. The actor had donated a very big amount of 25 crore rupees last year to the PM Relief Fund. Apart from that, the actor has donated rupees 1 crore to Gautam Gambhir's foundation for the help of needy people. Salman Khan, superstar Salman Khan came forward to help frontline workers in Mumbai. The Radhe movie actor serves food to more than 5,000 people, which frontline workers and poor people. Recently, a video of Salman went viral on social media where he was seen checking the quality of food that is being distributed to the frontline workers. He made sure that the staff maintains hygiene and all the COVID-19 protocols are followed. Apart from these, several other celebrities have come forward at this hour of crisis. They are posting videos and requesting people to stay inside and wear masks. They are all doing a really good job. So that is all for this video. Before you go, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Also, smash the notification bell icon for the upcoming videos. Till then, please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Stay safe, stay home.